Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about sixth category data type, that is NoneType data type. So let's see what is NoneType data type. NoneType is one of the predefined class. So in Python, every data type is one predefined class. So none is a keyword and treated as value of NoneType data type. So for the NoneType data type, none is a value, none is also a keyword. None is not a false. None is not a space. None is not zero. And none in the sense nothing. So none is not this all. None is nothing. We can't create an object of none type because it contains single value. So it contains only single value, right? None. So that is the reason we can't create an object of none type. None is used for representing missing values and makes the garbage collector to remove the memory space when the object reference is made as none. Wherever we get this none value, then we are going to representing some missing values. So in order to represent missing values, we are going to use this none value. And also, when the object reference made as none. Now I'm opening Python command prompt. See here. Now I'm going to use this way. Import keyword as kw, and I'm going to do like this kw dot kw list. If I do this thing, see here, I got the keywords which are present in Python programming, right? So this none refers to a keyword. Now I'm declaring A is equals to none. And I'm trying to print A and its type. See here, A has a value called none, which comes under class none type. So in none type category data type, we have one data type, right? That is none data type. So that is the reason this value comes under none type. So none is not false, not space, not zero, right? None is nothing, right? Let's see. None is equals to false. If I do this thing, it is going to print false. In the sense, none is not equal to false. So none is not a false. So if I do this thing, none is equals to 0. So then it is going to show false. Why? None is not equals to 0. So if I declare this none is equals to space, so then it is going to show false because none is not equals to space. If I do this thing, none is equals to none, it is going to show true. See here, none is nothing. See here, none is nothing, right? In order to represent missing values, we are going to use this none value and this none type data type. So if I do this thing, print off, this refers to an empty dictionary, right? So for empty dictionary, dot clear off. If I do this thing, it is going to print none. Whenever we call this clear off function on empty dict, it is going to print none. So this thing we have seen in predefined functions of dictionary. If I do clear off on empty set, see here, set off. If I do this thing, same none is given. Whenever we call this clear off function on empty set, we are going to get the output as none. So if we do this on list, empty list, see here, same none. If we do this thing on frozen set, see in frozen set there is no predefined function called clear off. That is the reason we got output as attribute error. See here, we got an output as attribute error, right? Attribute error. Frozen set object has no attribute called clear. So by this we can use this non-type data type. Mainly by using this non-type data type, we are going to declare missing values. So wherever we have some missing values, in the place of missing values, PVM directly keeps none. These are the examples. Empty dict.clear off, empty set.clear off, empty list.clear off. At the time the PVM prints as none, right? See here, here none, none, none. So this is all about non-type data type. So by this episode, we have successfully completed chapter 1 called data types in Python. So we have seen 14 data types in these 56 episodes. So they are classified into 6 categories, right? So first is fundamental category, second is sequence category, third is list category, fourth is set category, fifth is dict category, and sixth is non-type category. So in fundamental data type, we have int data type, float data type, bool data type, complex data type. We already discussed this fundamental data type. So in sequence category data type, we have str data type, bytes data type, byte array data type, and range data type. So in list category data types, we have list and a tuple. So we have completed these data types. So in set category data types, we have set and frozen set. This set and frozen set also we have seen. In dict category data type, we have only one data type, that is dict. We have completed this dict data type. In today's episode, we have completed NoneType category data type. In that, we have only one data type called a NoneType. So these are the 14 data types which are important in Python programming language. So by this episode, we have successfully completed our first chapter in Python, which is known as data types. That's all for today's episode. In upcoming episodes, we are going to discuss about number of approaches to develop and Python programming. So that's all for today's episode. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.